Number 1. 1996 Ford F-150, price $7,500, with approximately 168,000 miles on the odometer. It is equipped with an automatic transmission, runs on gasoline, and features a white exterior paired with a tan interior. The truck is described as an honest, well-maintained vehicle that has been regularly serviced throughout the years, supported by around 30 service records documenting its maintenance history. It runs and drives well and remains mechanically solid for its age, reflecting proper care and use over time. As a classic-era F-150, it has also received many compliments for its iconic square body design. There are a couple of important items to note. The air conditioning is currently not working and will need repair, and the second/rear fuel tank is not operational. Aside from these issues, this older F-150 continues to be a dependable truck that has been maintained responsibly. Number 2. 1999 Ford Ranger, price $9,300. This truck has 101,000 miles and an automatic transmission, finished in red with a gray interior and powered by gasoline. It features a strong 4.0L V6 engine and a classic stepside bed, with everything working as it should. The truck is equipped with power windows, locks, and mirrors, along with keyless entry, cruise control, and ice-cold AC. It also has a Sony touchscreen stereo with infinity speakers, Bluetooth, and a backup camera for added comfort and convenience. Over the last 4 years, it has received consistent maintenance, including the fuel pump and filter, ignition components, suspension parts, shocks, belt, battery, and a recent oil change. Adult-owned and well-maintained using quality parts, it starts easily, drives smoothly, and is ready to go. Clean Tennessee title in hand with no warning lights. Number 3. 1990 Ford F-150, price $4,800, equipped with a 325.0L gasoline engine and automatic transmission, showing approximately 163,000 miles. It features a clean black exterior with a red interior. Many parts have been replaced, including the distributor, spark plugs and wires, throttle position sensor, IAC sensor, and it sits on brand new tires. The catalytic converters have been removed and replaced with an X-pipe and a Flowmaster 40 series style exhaust with mufflers and 18-inch tips, and a set of 2-inch lowering shackles is included. The truck runs and shifts great, heat works properly, and the AC blows cold. The original radio still functions, new door speakers are installed, the interior is very clean, and the paint remains in nice condition with no major dents. Number 4. 1992 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000. With only 66,000 miles on the odometer, making it a rare find for its age. It is powered by a reliable 5.7L Chevy V8 TBI engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck features a silver exterior with a clean gray interior, both of which remain in good condition. Having spent its life in the Southwest, it is free from body and frame rust, with no major body damage and no cracks in any of the glass. It has been carefully maintained, including newer belts and hoses, and it runs, drives, and shifts like new. Comfort and convenience features include cruise control, tilt steering, power windows and door locks, as well as fully functioning heat and air conditioning, making it a dependable and comfortable daily driver or classic truck investment. Number 5. 1998 Ford F-150, price $6,500, reliable classic 4x4 pickup that stands out for its clean condition and strong performance. It has 168,000 original miles and comes with an automatic transmission paired with a dependable 4.6L V8 gasoline engine that runs smoothly with no known mechanical problems. The truck is finished in a clean black exterior with a silver interior, offering a timeless and rugged appearance. The air conditioning works properly, the brakes have been recently replaced, and the tires are in good shape all around, making it ready for both daily driving and work use. This F-150 has been owned by a single owner, comes with a clean title, and includes a free Carfax report for added confidence. Number 6. 1994 Ford F250, price $6,500. This truck is powered by the legendary 7.5L big block V8 and features a 2WD long bed configuration paired with an automatic transmission. It has only 110,000 original miles, making it a well-preserved example for its age. The truck runs and drives very well, shifts smoothly, and performs exactly as it should. Finished in white with a blue interior, this F250 remains mostly original and completely stock. The interior is exceptionally clean for a truck of this vintage, with the seats, dashboard, and trim all in excellent condition. The only noted interior issue is a sagging headliner, which is a common and well-known characteristic of these trucks. Number 7. 1989 Ford F250, price $3,500. It has 190,000 miles and is powered by a 5.8L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It features an off-white exterior with a gray interior and remains in a clean, mostly stock configuration, including the original wheels. The truck comes with new tires installed all around and holds a clean title that is in hand. Both the exterior and interior are described as super clean for its age. The truck runs and drives well. It does have a few known issues and is priced accordingly. There is an oil leak from the oil pan, which causes oil to drip onto the exhaust and produce smoke. This smoke is from the external oil leak and not from internal engine damage. Number 8. 1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500, clean and well-maintained full-size truck that has clearly been taken care of over the years. It shows 141,000 original miles and is powered by a strong-running 5.7-liter gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. The truck features a blue exterior complemented by a matching blue interior, giving it a classic and consistent look inside and out. The body is straight and rust-free, reflecting careful ownership and proper maintenance. Overall, it remains in solid mechanical condition and is ready for daily driving, light work, or weekend use. With its original mileage, dependable drivetrain, and clean title in hand. Number 9. 1979 Ford F250, price $7,200. It has approximately 88,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with a 6.6-liter V8 engine, upgraded with a high-performance camshaft, aluminum intake, and carburetor. The engine runs very well and is paired with a 4-speed manual transmission and locking front hubs, making it a capable 4-wheel drive truck. The exterior is finished in blue, although the original factory color was maroon, complemented by a tan interior. For its age, the truck runs and drives quite well and remains very solid overall, with only minor rust present. It includes power steering and power brakes, adding to its ease of driving. Additional features include a side-mounted toolbox on the passenger side and a newly installed front windshield. The truck is a factory F26 model and comes with a clean title in hand. Number 10. 1987 Ford F150, price $3,000, powered by the reliable Ford 300 inline-6 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. Despite its age, there is no rust on the cab corners or the frame, only minor surface rust is present on the paint. This F150 is definitely a project truck that needs some love. With over 200,000 miles and being nearly 40 years old, it is not perfect and shows its age. However, several parts have been recently replaced, including new tires, shocks, a new front gas tank, a front gas tank fuel pump, a new radio, and new headlights. There are still some issues that need attention. The turn signals are not working, the steering feels very loose, the suspension bushings are worn out, and the U-joints are completely shot.